Hi everybody, so I have another vacuum to show off. The last video seen would have been the Bissell Zing. Obviously right in front of me I got something way better than a Bissell Zing. Like, really better. You can probably tell what it is, but this is my Hoover Wind Tunnel Dual V. Turbo Power 7400. Official, yeah, there you go. Yeah, this is my Hoover Wind Tunnel V2. Or Dual V, whatever you can call it. I got this machine a very long time ago from a vacuum store named Banks. And this is probably one of my better Hoovers out of every one of them. I mean, the twin chamber one, like the one you saw that my aunt had in the garage, that one's a good one too. But yeah, there is something wrong with it, but it works fine. I don't want to say what's wrong with it at all. So yeah, all it just matters is it runs and it's a good vacuum. So yeah, down here we have the nice base plate with the nice Hoover logo and the nice happy face smile on it. This is not the main problem, but my headlight lens is pushed in, and I brought the whole thing out because you can change a light bulb, and it just went back in, so I don't know what's up with that, but it's fine. Then you got it has 12 amps, cleaning performance 29.0. Then you got your height adjustment right here, if I can even move it. I probably have to have it up, but yeah. Then you have your on-off brush hole, so that turns out the brush hole, and then that turns it on. Then you can reset the brush if it gets jammed with something. Here's the Dual V right here, where it has 2 suction channels to bring in the dirt into the vacuum. It has the wind tunnel technology right here in gold. And if I gently flip this thing over, right here is the big old huge brush roll. Oh my god, that's why they call it the Dual V and everything else. You got 2 sets of brushes, and you got 2 things of suction. These bristles are still very stiff after all the years I've had it and owned it. But yeah, just a funky brush roll. Then I have to release it. Crap. To show you the other filter. Yeah, let me. There we go. Let me release this back gently, and then there's like this tab under here. You push it in, or do you have to have the whole thing down? Oh, you have to have the whole thing down. You push that tab and you release this. There's your like black Hepa filter in there. I remember going to a summer latchkey and stuff like that. My parents had to go to work and they had to drop the kids off there and have fun, blah blah. They had one. They had a V2. It was like a greenish color, bluish color, I don't know. But this thing was missing with the filter, and the thing right here was broken, so we kept leaning forward. It didn't stay locked in the place. It was horrible. And the headlight was burnt out, and the only thing they really did was empty the container and keep things clean. That's all they did. Actually, when I first started it, this is how I got it, because I really wanted one ever since. I'm happy I got one. But anyways, yeah, there's some things on here that are annoying the crap out of me, but as you see, it says the Turbo Power 7400 Wind Tunnel Dual V Hoover. Then this right here has the power hand tool. As you see, the lettering is like the paint's coming off, which I've seen a lot, and it's annoying. Some scratches on it, but not too many. Yeah, I don't know. I have not seen any pictures of this black one, the Turbo Power one. So I'm guessing this is a really rare one. I don't know, maybe. But anyways, yeah, here's its twin chamber system, the huge bin with the filter that you can twist up here to knock off the, you see it's flapping against that rubber to get rid of the dirt. And you open the bin up, and then you dump the crap out of the bin. There's some fluff in there. I just tried it just to make sure it was okay before I did the demonstration or whatever. Then it just slots back in. I should have brought out the other thing. They had another thing where it was just a big container like this, but you put a Hoover Y bag in there. So instead of being it bagless, you can have a bag in there, which is, I think, is cool. Maybe I'll try that. They still have it, and I can get obviously Hoover Y bags. Then up here you got your tools. So you got your upholstery tool, dusting brush tool, and then the pet hair tool right here. There's some stuff on it. Oof, I should have cleaned that, but I didn't. And I really like the blue on this. I really like the blue, those old blue wind tunnel turbo brushes. Shut that, and then on the side you got your wand with a very nice long crevice tool. This is 2-in-1. I don't know what else you can do with it, but yeah, that just stores on the side of the machine and clicks into place. And then you got your nice stretch hose. Like, this is a really good Hoover. I really like it. Like, yeah, here's a long stretch hose. Now people probably back in the day, oh, this thing is so cheap. Well, look at the Hoovers now. They're horrible. They're worse than this. Then obviously you got your very long cord with the squared 2-pin plug right there. And then you got your whole entire long cord, which I like. Big long cord. You got your carry handle right back here. And then, like, I'm gonna try to see if I can get the cord out of the way. Here's the model number stuff if y'all want to read it. It's model U8147-900. Hoover Company, North Canton, Ohio. I don't know where would it be made. It doesn't say. I don't see anything that says China. I don't know. Maybe this is from Ohio. Maybe before China or TTI took over. I don't know. So I don't see anything on there. Anyways, that has a U.S. patents number or whatever on there. So yeah, might as well show you guys it running. Obviously there's the foot release. I had to use that to recline it to show you the filters. Give you guys a heads up. If you don't know about these machines, they are very loud, especially the brush roll. They're very loud, but they clean well. Obviously here's your on-off switch right up here on the handle. So yeah, I'll show you guys it without it being an upright. Well, with being an upright and then releasing up the brush. So here we go. Yeah, so as you can see, it does a really good job at cleaning, and it still smells like a new vacuum, surprisingly, after all the years I've had it. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, my Hoover or Wind Tunnel Dual V, please like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more videos from me, and have a great day, everybody. Bye!